Gondor Multifunctional, Rotary Drum Dryer. Energy-saving insulation. Multi-heating mode optional. Hot air circulation efficiency. Precise temperature and humidity control. Bidirectional rotation design. More uniform drying effect. Pour the material into. Turn evenly in the barrel. Fast drying speed and good effect. Flexible adaptation to various scenarios. The drum rotates clockwise for feeding, counterclockwise for discharging, enabling efficient and uniform drying. It can dry a variety of materials. Applicable industries. Technology. Efficiency. Reliability. Innovation, precision.